Pag nag-avail ng optional withdrawal, di na po ba makakatanggap ng membership maturity? Good question po from our viewer. It's about Pag-ibig membership maturity. Sige po, sasagutin ko yung question, sir, in a direct, concise, and with example. Let's get started. Yung mga members po ng Pag-ibig na nagkuha na ng optional withdrawal, no worries po kasi makakatanggap pa rin kayo ng membership maturity. Bakit po? Kasi yung optional withdrawal po, sir or ma'am, 15 years po yan na contribution nyo sa Pag-ibig. Ibig sabihin, kinuha nyo po and then meron pa kayong naiwan actually. Kasi yung membership maturity ni Pag-ibig is 20 years po. Ibig sabihin, may 5 years ka pa na remaining. Yung 5 years po ninyo na contribution, meron pa kayong annual dividends, madagdagan pa yan, sir or ma'am. So no worries po, hintayin nyo po na mag 20 years kayo sa Pag-ibig. That's what we call membership maturity. Pwede nyo po makuha ang pondo ninyo. Apart from age 60 po. So kung age 60 ka, one of the grounds din yan para makuha ang pondo natin sa Pag-ibig. Hindi lang membership maturity, but age 60 also. Right? So actually, nakagawa ako ng video nito sa channel ko. 6 grounds po yan para makuha nyo ang Pag-ibig contributions ninyo. If I may enumerate, number 1, membership maturity. Number 2, age 60. Number 3, permanent departure from the country. Number 4, retirement due to health reason. Number 5, insanity. And number 6, death of a member. Yan po ang mga grounds po, sir or ma'am, para makuha nyo ang pondo sa Pag-ibig. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.